Okay, who's doing sound effects for who?
I'm doing Ross effects, Cody doing Sam.
So Sam's already playing.
Begin scene. Action.
And can you Viagra?
I'm gonna go take a bit. You do that.
Crystal meth. I mean, no, it's fine.
Oh, well.
I'm back.
Actually, I'm sorry, can I take your belt? Go ahead.
Oh. That's a really deep bell.
Actually hit.
Rejection.
But I was wondering if I could just... cough medicine? Yes, cough medicine. Do I used to cough Batman? No. Okay. I said I'm not going to I'm sorry.
Your noises are so soft.
Yeah, make them
Oh,
more.
that hurts
Okay.
so bad.
Special medicine. Oh, you want...
Did they have it?
No. You know...
Football? It didn't hurt. You're entering our scene. Get away.
No, I think you
Sorry.
Rewinding sound.
You know, I like to ding the bell too. I broke it. Anyway, I'm frustrated. Would you like to wash your hands? Sure, the sink's right here. All right.
Is it like a drawer?
Portable thing you gotta have.
Yeah, you do the wash. Not telling you what it's made of. Hey, you're good. Hey,
Would you like to see me naked?
No.
I was wondering if
Cody, where are you? What is that?
I was just doing it.
You just water. You just do it.
But, yeah.
Ayo, Kiki.
Hey, Mom! Yeah, Mom! The Viagra! Huh? No! Alright. Oh, it's empty. Take this one. Picture? Do you have money? Give me my Viagra back. Okay, I have money. It's in my wallet. Please, open it. I'm in the Velcro. I like bottles. I like Velcro. Velcro bottles. That's an amazing invention. I should invent. Don't touch me.
Oh, Lord.
How much? How much do you need this Viagra? $3. I'll take it. Velcro. Oh, wait, my bad.
Mine.
Here's your receipt, sir. Is this some kind of rubber receipt? Yeah, I don't need it myself. I'm eating this stuff too. Viagra.
Stop making sense.
Go now. You're doing my... Why? Bye. I got myself too.